Hi everybody, welcome back to another Sprint Booster install. Today we're installing the Sprint Booster on this beautiful 2022 Ram TRX. Sprint Booster is the #1 throttle control module on the market. It's trusted by over 2 million users worldwide, so you know you're getting the good stuff. If you want to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com, check out a wide list of applications to see which Sprint Booster is right for your machine. So the first step in your install is to take your key fob and put it 10 feet away from your car with the front door open. That way your CAN bus system can reset. Then we're ready to begin the install. Next, locate your throttle pedal assembly. Above there you'll see the clip for your harness. Unplug that clip and plug your Sprint Booster in line. Next up, plug your controller into your Sprint Booster and run it up to your dash. But before you mount it on there with the provided adhesive, make sure to check that you're in the automatic setting if you have an automatic car like we do, or flick it up to the manual setting if you have a manual car. So the Sprint Booster has 36 unique modes, including valet mode, which limits your throttle pedal output to 30%, so that when they get in your car, they can't rev it out all the way, and it gives you a little bit more security with your Sprint Booster. It's also got pedal lock mode, which totally eliminates your throttle pedal response, so that nobody can take your car out for a drive until you disable it. Along with that, you also have 9 unique modes in sport mode, and another 9 unique modes in race mode. So you can really dial in that Sprint Booster feel to what feels the best for you in your car. Alright everybody, well that's it. Thanks for checking out the Sprint Booster install. If you want to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com, check out our wide list of applications, and see which Sprint Booster works for you. If you enjoy what you saw here, give us a like, and let us know down in the comments what other machines you want us to install Sprint Booster on. Thanks everybody, bye now.